Hey there, this is Mitch. I finally got my, oh my god, it's stuck to something. I finally got my second Kawaii box in the mail, and I was too excited to make a video of the first one because I'm impatient. First of all, this is so cute. I'm so upset. Like, okay, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. This box is great for people like me who I love Kawaii things and culture, but I can never pick anything because I like it all. And the last box I got was perfect. I was so surprised with the quality, and there's so much good shit in there. It was great. Oh my god. First item. It's a slinky. It's a Kawaii slinky. I love it. This is amazing. This is already amazing. This is all I need. I don't care. I have a slinky. This is all I need. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's the stickers that they have on Facebook. I don't remember its name though. Oh my god, it's really soft. Oh my god. I don't want to imagine how much it is on its own. This is so cute. Oh, look. It's because it has the little, I don't know, is it like a duck or a chicken friend? It's so cute. Oh, it farts. Oh my god, look at this stupid little ugly face. This is the best day ever. Look at you, you're so cute. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck yeah. I just got a water bottle and it broke. That's the best day ever. Oh my god, look, it has a thing. Oh, it has shit in it. It has a thing. I don't. So you can put stuff in it. And oh my god, this is awesome. Outshine the sun. I will, water bottle. Thank you. I will definitely do that. This is cute. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god. Give it to me! Oh my god, what is this? You put it on something? But it has instructions. Oh, okay. It's a pencil case. It's a pencil case, and then you put it on your notebook, and then you don't lose it. Oh, it's really soft. Oh, I think I might actually use this as a wallet instead. I'm telling you, this was $26. This was under $30, all of this. It's ridiculous. Yes! Oh god. I got a squishy cake last time. They're gonna be right next to them. We're gonna be best friends. I got a squishy cake, and I got also one of the round buns. You smell good. Oh, you smell amazing. I'm so hungry. So happy to be alive. I love you so much. You're so squishy, my friend. Oh fuck yes. Oh my god, these stickers are dinosaurs. Oh my god. These are not just stickers. Dinosaurs. Those are dinosaur stickers. I love them. I love Kawaii box. Just letting you all know. That's so cute. They keep putting stickers in the packages though, and I don't know what to do with them. I don't know where to put my stickers. I'm really bad at stickers. Okay, now. Is that it? I think so. I think that's it. It's a moo cow. And a cute stamp thing. So yeah, that was all of my second Kawaii box. I got this fucking amazing slinky. Yeah, this box is super high quality, the subscription box, and I wish I could subscribe to it for every month, but I'm poor. All of this was under $30, and normally if I were to look for something like this online, it would be at least $15 by itself, not including shipping. This is really quality. I totally recommend that you get one because this is delightful. And look at all this shit. It's so cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna drown in keychains and friends, and it's so funny. Thank you for watching. It was a very rather quick video, but that's okay. Get a Kawaii box. They're really great and so much fun. Okay. Thanks for watching.